శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము 388th డే. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. In Srimad Mahabharatam Sabhaparvam 1st and 2nd chapters, Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaisampayana Maharshi teaching Srimad Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaju, saying like this, O Raja, Krishna Paramatma saying to Mayasura like this, O Maya, please build one beautiful assembly hall for Dharmaraju, and everyone should surprise to see that, and there should be no such structure in the world at all. To that extent you have to show all of your efficiency and build one assembly hall. Like that Krishna said to Mayasura and took Maya, and both Arjuna, Krishna, all of them, 3 of them came to Dharmaraju, and Krishna told Dharmaraju about Mayasura's plan. Then Dharmaraju respected Maya and gave all kind of gifts. Maya also accepted that, and Maya lived there for few days. After that, on one good muhurta, with Krishna's permission, they have conducted some pujas to build assembly hall. And after that, Krishna Paramatma was in Khandavaprastham for few days. Now Krishna Paramatma Gamanaya Matim Chakre Pitur Darshanalalasaha. He wanted to go and visit his father. So he now went to Dharmaraju, took permission that he wanted to go, and also he went to Kunti Devi. Vavande Charanau Murdhna Jagadvandyaha Pitrushvasuhu. Paramatma Krishna, whom the entire universe does namaskaram, such Krishna Paramatma went and touched Kunti Devi's feet with his head and told her that he want to go. Then Kunti Devi hugged Krishna Paramatma. After that, Krishna Paramatma went to his sister Subhadra Devi. While Krishna Paramatma moving to happy tears, he talked to his sister Subhadra Devi and now telling her that he is now leaving from Khandavaprastham. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vighneshwara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Srimad Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana, who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana 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 Sriman Narayana Narayana Narayana. Sriman Narayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Sriman Narayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. O Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। जय श्रीमन्नारायण। जय श्रीमन्नारायण। A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.